Hello guys, I hope you're doing fine. Welcome back to my YouTube channel SK Graphics. In today's video we will learn how you can change the color of multiple objects at once in Adobe Illustrator by using the script. So script is the easiest way and it will save you a lot of time, because if you're doing it manually it will take too much time and it's really hard working. Using the script you can do the same thing really quickly and easily. So how you can do this, let me show you. So the first thing you need to download is the script. I have given you the link in the description. From there you can download. Once you downloaded the script, here I already downloaded the script. The first thing you need to do is to copy this script and paste it where your Adobe Illustrator is installed. Usually it's installed in the window disk, which is local disk C in my case. So program files, then you have to go to Adobe, and here you can select the Adobe Illustrator and presets. Go inside this folder and here you can see the script. So in this folder you need to paste the same script. I already pasted here, and then once you paste it you need to come back to Illustrator, and here you can see the template I already have, in which I want to change the whole template color, which is purple color. So I need to change this whole color to some other color, and if I'm doing this in the manual way it will take a lot of time and it's too much hard working. So the script will save you a lot of time. So now what you can do is go to file, here it's script. Here you can see the same script which you already pasted there, and just open this script. Window will pop up. Here you can see okay, so we have few options here. You need to understand first. Here is the find the color you want to change. Like in my case it's purple color I want to change, so you need to select the same color or similar color to the purple. I'll show you how you can do that. Just first understand the option we have available in this one, and this is the color to replace. What color you want to replace, this you need to select here, and this is the random option. And what is replace, if you already selected the item you can check the selected, layer and artboards. We have multiple options, and so you can select accordingly what suits for you. And then the type of replace is fill or stroke. You need to check both or just fill, whatever is suitable for you. So the first thing you need to do is to select the base color you want to change. So in my case it's the purple color, and what I will do, I will either pick the same exact color by using the eye picker tool. Okay, the color picker tool. For this, for example, if this is the group item, I need to ungroup it first, or the quickest way is to open the color swatches, and then you can choose the same color or similar color to the already existing one. So I have chosen this one, and you need to add it to the color swatches first, because whatever color is in your swatches will be showing here. For example, if I delete all these swatches, you will see it will not be showing here. If I restart this, here you can see the other swatches will not show. So the first thing you need to do is to add the similar color in your swatches, and the color you want to change. This is the color we want to change, and the color you want to replace it to. So I already changed the added the orange. Here you can choose some other color too. For example, I will choose this one too. So I will add this to the color swatches, so it will show here. This thing you need to do it first before the open this window, because it will update. Okay, so now we are ready to go. This is the purple color I want to change. So what I will do, I will check the purple color. So here you can see it's already here, and replace color I want to replace it to orange. I already replace it. Now I will select the artboard because I have selected nothing here, because everything inside the artboard will be changed if I choose the option artboard. And now I will choose the fill option and just click on replace. Okay, so this option you will get it oftenly because the color we have selected is not exactly the same color of the purple. In this case, what you want to do, what you need to do is tolerance. So once you increase the tolerance mean it will select the broader, like the same color and similar color in broader way. Like it's the purple color, already purple, but it's not the matched color. So once you increase the tolerance, it will select the similar color to this one. Okay, so now let's check replace, and here you go. You can see once you increase the tolerance, it will replace the color. So now if I want to change the same color to some other color, you need to select it here. Like if I want to change it to green, and here the orange one. So now replace it again. So now you can see this is the really quick and easiest way. So it will, and also it will save you a lot of time. If you like this video, click the like button and share with your friend. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. So that's all for today, and I will see you in the next videos.